So today we're trying this 12-volt impact drive, and we're gonna show you everything that it comes with on the bag. It comes with instructions, the charger, one battery, and it has some tips. Today, so we're gonna start by putting in the battery. As you see, it has a shape, so it's really easy to put on. You put it on, and you press these buttons to release the battery. Easy as that. And then here we got the tips that we're gonna start using it with a Phillips screw. And the nice thing about this drill, it comes with LED light in the night when you turn it on. And here is your power from the battery. See how much battery charge you still have on it. You can check on that as well. And in the night where you're working somewhere where you don't see, when you turn it on, you press on it, it turns the light on, as you see. And that will full, as you see there. And so we're gonna pull this, and this is how you insert the tip. You put the other one into there, and you're ready to go. Let's put it to the test. So today we're holding this pipe, we're trying this drill. And this is an anchor for electrical pipes, and this for PVC. So we're gonna show you how this drill works. That is really nice, and it's not huge for you to use it. I'm gonna go slow. You see, you can go slow, just press the button slowly. That way you don't crack the wood. That's how you press it. Really tight and firm, doesn't go anywhere, as you see. And so right now we screwed it. Right now you can press reverse and you can start pulling it back. As you can see, the screw, it'll show slowly. Easy as that. And then once more, to put it in, you press the forward. So go in, it's an impact, so go slow. You got it.